This is absolutely insane at this point. Like, just look at the amount of RGB we have in here. It's crazy, bro.
Come on. Nope. There's like a nice gap right here in the case. This RGB GPU power cable right here, it's just sticking out like maybe, I don't know, an inch or so out of the case, and there's just no way I can shut the PC case no more. We got this lovely bit of tempered glass that's actually tinted, and you know, you want to shut your PC case, obviously, but with this one, we just can't do it. But today's gonna be a good day, because we're gonna vertically mount the GPU, dude. This RTX 2080 Super Amp Extreme is finally getting vertically mounted in the case so that we can, you know, shut the side panel, because that's pretty important, right? Yeah, we got packages, a lot of packages. Here we have possibly some kind of GPU RGB thingy, and then we got the vertical mount from Phanteks. Everyone in the comment section of the Zotac video told me to vertically mount the GPU. It's gonna solve all my problems. We're finally gonna be able to see all of the RGB in the graphics card. It's gonna be pointing at us. Hopefully the temps aren't going to be affected too much, but to be honest guys, I have like very little worries about temperatures in this case. Like the cooling setup I have right now with the fans pointing at the bottom of the graphics card, it's wonderful. The graphics card temps are super low, but I did buy the Phanteks vertical GPU bracket. Now I'm guessing you just install it like that, you know, just put it inside of the PCIe brackets. This massive thing? Does that mean I can't use my Wi-Fi card anymore? Will I lose my Wi-Fi card? We'll find out. Yeah, we still got like 2 at the bottom here that it doesn't interfere with. So it's gonna take up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in total we got 7. So we in the clear, we're gonna keep our Wi-Fi card. But like, where are the holes? Wait, do I have to like, maybe I gotta build this first. Hold up. I just realized maybe I actually gotta like build this and put stuff together. Connect the GPU riser cable to the motherboard. Then you mount the GPU bracket in the chassis. I see. Oh, geez, I hit the monitor, whoops. Can we shut the side panel now? I think we can. The side panel is finally shut. Mission accomplished. We can put the top panel back on as well. Man, check out this GPU mount, dude. It took me a little bit of time to reroute and re-cable manage the RGB cable, of course, but we got it done. The GPU power cable runs out of here and into that cable management bracket over there. We got the motherboard RGB cable there as well, so we can see both of them, and now we can see this entire card. I think if we pop the power supply back on, which is just back here, the case will turn on. All right, so the motherboard lights, boom. Oh, the fans are spinning, it blinked yellow. Only bad thing is my monitors are not on. Why are the monitors just no longer turning on? Press delete or F2 to enter BIOS. Or what if I don't want to go in BIOS and I just want you to like boot up, you know? My keyboard doesn't actually do anything in the BIOS. Like, you press buttons, mate, F2, but like it doesn't respond. This isn't a very usable PC in this state if it can't get past the BIOS screen. I don't know what's going on, guys. Is it actually gonna like ever boot up? Like, what do I do with this PC? Is it booting up or is it just gonna like crash again? Please, hey, we got both monitors, guys. This actually works. I reseated the PCIe power cables at the back. Believe it or not, that fixed the problem. Give me a rainbow. For the last time, we can shut the PC case and actually hopefully keep it shut for the foreseeable future. This PC case mod definitely has solved my PC case closing problem. I can now shut every single side panel, and the PC case, I think we can all agree, looks absolutely amazing with this vertical GPU mount.
I have no Wi-Fi. I low-key kind of expected this moment to happen, but my Wi-Fi card, it's GG. I don't think it's gonna work anymore. It kind of worked just barely yesterday, but today, nah, I don't even have Wi-Fi as like a device in my PC anymore. It's just gone. The Wi-Fi card is broken, probably because I broke it in some kind of way whilst installing this vertical GPU mount. Luckily though, I have a very long Ethernet cable right here. Hopefully this will be long enough to run all the way from the networking setup around literally the entire room behind the camera, all the way around through here. And we're going to be running the cable through all the cable trunking that I've already run throughout the entire edges of the room anyway, so we can just pop this cable into the cable trunking. I don't have to lay any new cable trunking because it's already there, and you can just open them up whenever you need to put cables inside there. So we can run the Ethernet cable all the way to the whole room, plug it into the PC, and hopefully we're going to have Wi-Fi then. Well, not Wi-Fi, just an internet connection in general, because now I'm screwed. The Wi-Fi card broke and, I need internet, man.
The Ethernet has been plugged in. The moment of truth, that's speakers. Identifying no internet. This better work. Ooh, Netgear 33. Let's check this out. Please work. Yes, we're back on the internet. We're actually running this over Ethernet now. No more Wi-Fi, so might be a little bit more reliable. We'll see. Although I did trust the Wi-Fi connection of the Wi-Fi card previously. It was really good. Can this be even better? But at the moment, yeah, not too bad of a speed, mate, not too bad. About 160 on the download. Ooh! And very, very nice upload speed. Wow, so uploading today's video, the one you're watching now, is gonna take very, very little time. Damn, 105 nearly? Jeez, upload speed is insane on EE.
You guys always ask for more gaming content, so here we are playing Bannerlord 2. We got 125 people versus 435 of this desert tribe or whatever. This army would be slightly bigger if I didn't have 13 of my guys wounded, but I think we might be okay, I think we might just be alright. We got my cavalry right here. They're all Imperial Elite Cataphracts, and I've not even had to cheat in this game, guys. Can you believe it? This was all done legitly. We are very outnumbered, but still, I'm confident. Look at their forces. No, not follow me. Charge, boys. Now we can sit on top of this mountain. I must say, it feels good to finally shut this PC case, all the side panels and all. I ended up cleaning the tempered glass as well off camera last night. So everything looks freaking sick, dude. This entire PC build, it's finally pretty much complete. This is absolutely insane at this point. Just look at the amount of RGB we have in here. It's crazy, bro. When it came to the temperatures though, for the GPU, it hit a maximum of 72 degrees Celsius whilst playing Bannerlord, and for the CPU, it hit a maximum of 74 degrees Celsius at one point. So cooling really isn't that big of a problem, at least for the graphics card. The CPU, I would actually expect to be running a little bit cooler than 74 degrees. At the moment, it's sitting at 46 idle. So the idle temps are fine. It's just that the maximum temp that the CPU hits, I feel like could probably be lower than 74, but the voltage that I've got the CPU running at is 1.356 for the 2700X. So that's probably why we're actually hitting 74 degrees Celsius. As always, all of the PC gear, all of the setup gear will be linked down below over on the TechBlock website in case you want to go buy any of the stuff that you see here in the setup and add it to your own gaming setup. Even some RGB Culture merch, you can pick that up on the store as well, techblock.co.uk. We even have RGB buttons. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna get going. The next video I end up posting about the PC build, we're gonna be adding some custom stuff inside there to pretty much complete the entire PC build, because it's not actually done yet. It's not quite done. We can add one more part, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna get going. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.